morning we wake up early to take our caravan back to Perth for wheel alignment, and then after that so that we can pick up Eden, who is arriving to Perth from Sydney today. I cannot remember the last time that we woke up super early for to travel anywhere, but I'm glad that we did, because we stopped by Busselton and I drawn the sunrise. The sunrise today was really beautiful. It was very orange color, and then we spot dolphin as well. And then after that we drive straight to Perth, drop off our caravan, and now we are at the airport to pick up Eden. She will be arriving soon. Hey, you lost your shoe! So yesterday after pick up Eden, we pretty much just hang around Perth and hang out with our friend Andrew and Sunday and had dinner, and then we just sleep in our caravan. We packed our caravan outside of our friend's house on the roadside, and then this morning we left Perth to go back to Wyndham Resort so that we can check out. We made it in time, just enough for us to check out and have a quick shower. And now we are off, continue on. We will say goodbye Perth. We won't be seeing Perth for a very long time. We still couldn't, well, there are a few points of interest on the way, so we are deciding just right now is looking for free camp. We're gonna go to probably stay in Augusta or Hamelin Bay, because there's a few point of interest there that we need to do. So we'll probably free camp somewhere there, and probably tomorrow, and then yeah, continue on. I think we have like maybe about 2 weeks to get to Esperance, because we booked our Christmas there. So yeah, there's still so much. I think there's a lot of things to see from Market River to Esperance, so hopefully we get to see a lot of them. Another windy day in WA, and the wind today is so ridiculous. It's blowing everywhere that I can't even wear my hat because it's just gonna blow off. Wow, this is so big.
They're both coming back.
Well, we are here at Hamelin Bay to see the manta ray. However, our girls are more interested in playing with the sand than seeing the manta ray up close. They are so big and so friendly. They just swim past you without any trouble. Play sure is a popular spot. There are so many people here. It's like maybe 5 o'clock now and there's still so many people. So yesterday, after we checked out Wyndham, we couldn't find any free camping from, I would say, Basuton all the way to Augusta. So we decided to stay one night at this private owned property. I think it's called the Garden something. It's private owned by a lovely lady. She had a very big backyard that can fit maybe up to 10 car van. It's massive land, so we only stayed there for a night. I think it's self-contained. I think it's cost us about $25, and she allowed to use the water, so we fill up our tank water there. And then next day it was so windy. It's like today it's windy, it's so windy. We went to yeah, pretty much we left the place, and then we went to check out. We went to Augusta. We parked our caravan there, and then we just went to check out Cozy Corner, Granny Pool. My plan is to have a swim at Granny Pool because there's like a little shallow area, like a lagoon there for the kids to swim, but it was so cold and so windy, so we skipped that. And then we went to Cozy Corner. We went to the Leeuwin lighthouse. It paid. We didn't want to go in, so we just took pictures outside. There's a few spots where we can took pictures of the lighthouse, and cannot drone there. Yeah, well, at the lighthouse they're not allowed to drone, but I guess we can drone the lighthouse from other place that outside the the information center or the lighthouse entrance. Unfortunately, I couldn't drone anything because it was so windy and so cold. Then after that, we went to Hamelin Bay. Oh my god, the stingray or the manta ray, it's just so cute. Some of them are so big, and they just went right next to you. They just went past you like nothing, like they know you're there and they just dodge you, but they don't mind you being there. It's just so cute. I think that is one of the highlight of our Big Lab Australia is the sting or manta ray encounter, and then whale, and then dolphin. Just love it. So we are, I think maybe not far from, I think Pemberton. We just free came here at this spot for the night, and then tomorrow we will continue on, and then we have up until we have about 6 days to get to Esperance. Justin booked Esperance on the 21st, so we need to do Albany and Cape Leeuwin, I think, before we get to Esperance, because we have no more time to waste. We pretty much need to moving on. Even though the weather is bad, we just have to see what we need to see and then move on. Oh, and at the moment there's nobody here except us. Let's see, I think it's like almost 7 now. Don't know if anybody is coming, but it doesn't matter. We get to have the place for ourselves, but I doubt it. It seems like there's always someone arrive late at night, or it's so rare that we are camping alone anywhere.